Hey everyone, this is Angus here, and today I'm going to give you an unboxing of this BaByliss electric razor for men. So I bought this off Amazon because my old one, I lost the charger, and I tried contacting the company and just couldn't seem to get replacements. So just taking a look at the packaging, I really like it, especially with like the blue and the black. It feels nice and professional, and we have a nice picture on the front with all the accessories. It's rechargeable, has different cut heads. On the side of the packaging we have the different heads themselves. Then we have essentially the same thing, but just more detail about the design. Then we just have a nice big logo here. On the top we don't have much, and then just have some official stuff on the bottom. So let's get this open. Okay, so we are greeted with some packaging, so that seems to be everything we have. We seem to have another box. Okay, so first thing is we have an instruction manual, which looks like it. Seems to be only be in English. Put that to the side. It looks like we have a docking station. Then we have the power adapter, and then it looks like we have the individual heads, and then we have some accessories like a comb, and like a brush, and then the last thing we have is the actual razor itself. So just taking a look at the accessories, we have a nose trimmer. And then we also have some precision trimmers here as well, and this one is gold plated, which is quite nice. And in here we have a comb and some, looks like, styling accessories, which will come in handy. Just taking a quick look at it, it feels really nice and ergonomic. It's light. It's also battery powered as well, so it does turn on. And it is actually ready to go. And then you can also remove the heads by pinching this as well. So, that is the unboxing, and thanks very much for watching.